Very good evening to you wherever you are. I believe you are doing great. And you may so onyankopon di ache yen. Eti se onya live telecast ya. Na me pa cho wa share e di ama me. Nti mo hwe me ni nyina me chiachia mo. Me chiachia mo. Enyumre baby a wo bia me chiao. Me chiao baby a wo bia me chiao enyumre. Robert Gladys Enim Bruce Eva Dubuahen baby a wo bia me chiao onya video ya no wa share the ama me ani die kwan so and a live telecast to white amajumai Shina akosia sewa Belinda that is say my sweetest Mary Magdalene Reverend Tony Mavis Nyako. Big ups to you, Reverend Adakwa, one of the men of God that I respect so much. Nyamini pa odifuo mechiawo Reverend Adakwa. Mechiawo J George. Nana Chinchinchi the first. No, the second. Anna the first. Well, I stand to be corrected. Nana Wadaroma mechiawo nyumri baby will be no obusia. Kunadu Mary. Elizabeth Odro, how you doing, Mom? I've really missed you. Kodro mechiawo. Mensa Richard, First Lady in our midst. Mechiamu nyina. Robert Edukusi, you watch him live from New York City. Wow. Theresa Aklivi. I believe you all have gone to the Hey TV channel to go there and then do subscribe. Meaning some nyina mako Hey TV wako subscribe meboa. Nyame aduma Thursday exactly 8 p.m. You be share ho. And Lord Mensa Loga me pacho I need you class mechiao. Michiobia. Mo share link na me mo kan tro mo say me live. And then me be ansa sofu bi atobo de abomi. But ningi na it sounds good. 80 na me be ansa no. Ningi na ye. Okay, mo amakọ subscribe no. The munyina say Joliza Andre me pacho mechiao munyina e frame opatafour ene me pacho me voice no edem kama de munya mutibibia kama se entwetwansi Justice Osafo, I respect you so much. Good evening to you. Ghana time exactly 8:10 p.m. Greenwich Meridian 9. Dinah Owusu Mama Dina UK mechi Jennifer Pia Asante mechi amu nyina anwumre mon subscribe Hey TV ho de be yire say because engineers ne hold channel no very tight enye is so betimi a penetrate to say the omaya man na opatafuo TV age egu no na ho so di asem kese besi enti no mechi amu nyina okay madam ase ene say bibia dem kama me pa cho mate me da munyina ase aish me da mu ase me da mu ase mre chiachia munyina baby a mo hwe me bia me chia mo enim se nyankopɔ adom enu nti munyina obi aho ye yento aso abusia enye bibia na ewiase no nipa bi wo ha otene ho ase aya na ompe. And sometimes when you become too much gentle, refusing to air your voice concerning certain things, while mami kachi aye chi channel eduru mre bi na aye ho se me de me gentle na the obi can be emfa me ho a ya na emom krofo bi nya opportunity etimi de gu hu fin na me mabi efra bruchiri eba me ho oni ni kunu na as usual enam so omo wa bruchiri nti omo wa sorry bia omo ko na omo free America ba me nche na ombe chia me to ombe chia me no as usual ko odifo o de ayeden ya odifo no ebe ye bibi spiritual e de amount as usual mo amuni me no to omba ya ombe chia ya ne ade a sister age wasem na me ka oni ukuru mo se ende mo behwe me ka chiro se me chirichirim ntimi chirichirim okay ana jame mo mo akwankyere ana me ka chiro mo se tie ni yo asema me ka no mo tie ni yi na ma wo se asofo no me hya ase se me ye expose ene akwankyere boni a omudi manipa ebre no they want to also find ways to attack me enti omba entie ni yo masema me ka kire nkrofo no na me ka kire o mo say one oni ni kuru nkofie na o mo nko no aduane na o mo mienu ni na aduane no so ombe no ano o mo make sure say ombe no aduane no e wo coal pot so ma o mo no aduane no e wo gas either electric or stove bibia so but me specific say o mo no aduane no e wo coal pot so no mo wi a o mo njai eye bidie na aka wo coal pot ni mo no na o mo ma bidie ni nso na enhye na dane nso a anopa o mo dane o mo sorry a o mo pick it nso no you should pick sample of the ashes and bring it to me. Na omo basoso a omo ton polyester red, polyester black, polyester white, and a green one. These are the items that I told them to bring to me. Now, when they brought it to me, I told them and gave them spiritual directions, what they are to go and do with these ashes and this the polyester or polyester, the black, what do you call black, red, white, green, that I actually told them to go and buy and bring. Each of the polyester, they are supposed to buy 1 yard. They came to me and said they need a financial breakthrough. They are a state of emergency because some financial conditions is very down and they need breakthrough, instant miracle. And I told them to go and bring this. I didn't even take money from them. Now, after bringing it, I did whatever that was necessary over it and told them to go back to the United States. When they get to the United States, then they should go and do the direction over there. I don't want them to do the direction here in Ghana. So lucky, omudru Saturday, Sunday, and omukwa sorry. To omukwa ya na omka so asa omupon omukwa chia asa sofo no na omuni ni didi nkoma no so. Ukọ Ghana eti say ni ade no so. Nyame adom omkra no. Omukọ Ghana kra no omukọ sra sofo baako no sofo so oh that's nice. Afe o ti say sofo be o so me ko ye ko sra opatafour. Hey, wana sofo no sha ase. No busam say one shot assassin one kahwe no share that is oh nice nipa de ukọ na say unya adifo nhira. So opatafour bo mpaye mamode osian o mama kwankyere kama osian tie no. Sometimes mu a Christopher na nkasa mu bi mu shallow mentality. Ma adwene ne ebebre de ya na mu oha. Emu oha in a sense say so you don't need to tell anybody. You don't own anybody explanation. You don't need to explain yourself to anybody. Ona ukra ho na wabrabo, ona unim said ye wuti uja ho. Ena unim said ye wusi bre wa abrabo. Ena watu 29 ena wako odifu bi ho. So nyame difo me patro me bre wa brabom nti boa me. Well, as to so difo ne papa so onye papa e na e wa wasem. And what difo na mo akwankyere. You don't go out there and explain everything to anybody. By a more Christopher nkwa na mo yesa ne man. Obi timi ka say ko opatafour ne ko like ko opatafour akwankyere de be ma na e bra be ka ne yintie. These days, on so some study my teachings a free totem my endra. That was Sunday teachings me ye no. Bebre no mu busa me spiritual directions. But also me intimi for spiritual direction be and to jawaha. Because of some of these things. They know my capacity and my office. And they know whom exactly that I am. And they try at all costs say, let's demonize Opatafour's teachings and ministry. Let's criticize and condemn him. Let's make him unpopular and make him look like an evil in the sight of people. And that's what they are doing. Now, kind of so you can say you copy and you're tuntum ni and you're koko and you're fita and you're green. Now, may I and so a car home. If you suffer now, hey, some you're very careful, pa, and sa kwanchira be say na many pabibribi. And no more brew yasin. Now, man, on some cancer or pataphone. Oh, or pursue then psychologically. Or pursue induce you or dada or to or chassis, answer a pataphone. Mokai and man, Misheda. Maybe not in person, a casa be brains, I'm a casametan. But my bomb pie be bree after pataphone one. Opatafour is into a satanic group or joining higher occultic society. They di amonya careful on whom na kwankyere no de amamon monko na monko tu entungu enti onko kotu tugui onko dampini nyina o bola dim enti anadwo no mo da ho no o da ha ena oso daye according to Beman so oso daye na oso daye no na ohia papa akokora bi e woni daye ohia papa akokora no woni daye mu no ena papa akokora no ka kire say he wo pe woje afri me Jacob tufu nsem ena me mama ko a kire wo se koye we a udi saa nipa na ono keka sansem na ti wakoto atwene besi yen kwanam ko kire wade okoya ono ne sofo no na pine esi nanimu a working kan book bi na moja aye mu ma ana nani so te no kram ena o ka kire oba no ana pressure abeto mo so no mo frame ka kire no enka me pa enka me explaining kire mo. But I told them they are aware. I know said they are silently on the line watching the video. Mamin Kasem being functional. Most of you people, you don't really know me. Mumu ni me said ye me buying any mini pa buying city. Na mumu bebre no on said the me Kasem be chire mo say. Adwuma na me ye. Men kan chire Bishop Belinda Brown me pa cho me chire osofo. I believe say bibia boko. Na me shira. Men kan chire obi se chinchira da bra me ho. Me nko anu osofo a. My ye nioma bebre di achire wiase. But it seems say you people don't get me dia me pesa me chire mo no. Me pesa me di message bi chire mo, me pesa me speak something, me di thought bi etum chire. But monte ase. My ye nioma bebre to an extent say mato asori mu say 2 times. Asori na me 2 mu. E ma ne nya wo say opatafour e bia me dan kana so. Se me dan kana so kra me se me miniska. Wo mu edi machi me wo sikafo enough wo betimi agi ba bia mama ya asori. Tieni ye. Enti mini adwini bi say me wo na wo hwe me no. Me de kwamboni bi so ebezan wana me be yo boni. Anything na metimi ka kire obi say opa abra me ho opa memma sofu bia no obetimi akasa asan we bi. Sometimes okasa say obi adwene be ya say ebia oye arrogant. There be but ma me kire wade. It go to a point ewo Yesu nyamedwuma mu ano oye a na afi ensensem ano omo ka kire Yesu no na waye fed up. Etu o ka kire omo say abra Yesu be preach awie bia no ka kire omo say mopa muntie de honhom no e ka kire asafo no eti sese de me ka kire wo na eti mi nhye obi say omra me nchen o ena sofu bie ni honom awo wasasi we so say onim nyame ana oche onim nyame cheme no kwasem na meka mi bua sofu bie ni ho aba me nchen amatete me ho akere ne da ebi kura nsi da. That's the least thing I'll ever do. Say ma hu mi nua sofu na waba me nchen me say me tete me ho tieni o me tete me ho de akere sofu no sa no menya de ba de obi oba me nchen bia na if you are able to meet me at the church premises, either you actually pay the visit to me in the house. Me bie me mu me srichre obi anu amamu na kire ne da. Minim sa de ne ye yamfa sa de na nteteme. Omo a sankrofo no omo ba me nche no, they will attest to the fact. Anything me kase wo a uji me mpre domo. Opatafour sofu bie no wo ga na o say owo tumi a ye de pre domo ame. Mini sa tumi ni bi me wo tumi a metimi de apudom. Because me only TV station, me only radio station. Then me puli crowd, me tena aya so de be ne working. E wo YouTube. Na makasa keke. But Awurade honhom de nam afiafiem. Ene mo so madaroma. Emanfuo pu no ma begu asoda. You are aware, my year countless of 31st, countless of program. Obia no obetimi ato asori ma bia nipa bepu abada. It should tell you, say, I am 1 in a million. And the day I catch the nipa say, unjimi nia, don't come to me. Collins, a very good evening to you. Tienio, say unjimi opatafuor nia, don't come to me. Don't even waste your time to watch my videos. I'm telling you. Why? Because when me kasa, I speak to people or me, they really love my teachings and they actually love everything about me. Who study my life me different from all pastors. I don't toe the lane, the same line. No, me toe that line. My teachings are different. What I believe in is different. What I believe in is different. Me myself is different. Adintia. Sana Yesu oba wiase. Sana Yesu ba ye. Sana omde ye. Na Yesu ye young guy and ni chire is different. Sadie we nyame adoma. Thursday ewo Hey TV. Make us afa ho. Enti me occultic society be no organ ha. Me a part of it. Semuma me bufua. I will list all the occultic society in the world. The ones that are recognized and the ones that are not recognized. Secret society be a warrior CBR. Make me a list. No ma bo grandmaster ni di no ma chere say munkobu sana. Say make my ba temple order. Konfuo bie ni ho no mo wasase wesu. Enem mo amudi machiri me ne mo kasa yie muntie ni yie. Konfuo bie no wasase wesu betima kacha say my ba na order. Minko konfuo bia order. Konfuo bie no amakọ no order. Ena me mintu kwan entra Ghana border da. Mintra Ghana border da. Minko Togo da. Minko Benin da. La Côte d'Ivoire minko hoda. Nigeria minko hoda. Gabon minko. Country bien no amakọ da. Minko abrochire kro bia so da. Ye wo mi nyinara. I've always based in Ghana. Accra no. I think it was 2012 and I'm quite Accra. Now, I have never stepped my foot in Accra ever since I was born. Me lifestyle, you know, it's either Eastern region or Kumasi and then Sefi. From Sefi to Kumasi, Kumasi to Eastern. Some major centers were in a matter. Being called Ebunuma Mukurana. It was recently. Mishia Mr. Seya somewhere 2019 ya na ye call Ebunuma Mutechi man krum. Min call hoda. Min call hoda. And just will be Kojana baby say. Opatafour ko Benin. Opatafour ko China. Met me de me passport. Me passport first one ya me ye. E da hosa ena expire. Me ye second one recently. Me too kwan ko baby ada. Minim to me biya wo mabrabom apart from Jacob Tumfo. It is original baby na okeka nsem bia. Ya na ye mesere. Omo aya no mutietie sankrofo no ya na ye mareho. Because nipa de o say obi aka de onim. Me nko baby ada. Nko baby ada. Obusa me classmates for me no am school they will tell you. Say me wo school me na me different. Me understand you different. The way I'm here man different. I was very spiritual. Na me very spiritual. Me wo to me pass seriously. But only plenty sometimes ya na ye hide nioma. We can't come publicly and do certain things. But I'm not a type of me into that thing. Be anyone or joining cult and a secret society and a practicing divination, sorcery. Any sanya mana met me abijana hose me churchill and I me a ye expose me a minimum my cobosumos woda maquaco dibus mudluda maquama bosuma shinsu de garme maquama yakotiti and yanning a bine aposa emia media gare. Mako ama ya fufu toko suani ade de amamadi ena masa atwa be ho na mabetena ha na meka sei dabi da kanya me kora betua meka se mako gitu mi se me de be ya sorry anasa me wo intention bi se opatafoɔ me ho kyere me nti na nya me dwuma na mu ayefo enu nti I was me finding ways and means na me turn eye sofo na me befa microphone ana me nam na me ye me ho se sofo na me jisika na me di kura ka rade obetua meka because me a very smart person, very intelligent. You can attest to that fact. Yendi ho me ba wiase mananti asra ade once me ba wiase masre ade once. That was somewhere 2021, either 2020 or 2021. Samokaya, those days, Namu Kumasu Online TV. Me be can say, me here car. Samokaya, me be can say me here car. Me come as in bia, me speaking with facts and evidence. Say, wow, okay, you are what dimachia chebian. Wow, what dimachia chebian. Obekaya, either 2021 or 2020 down. Me be can say me here car. Leave a comment at the comment section. Now, that time when I'm to be noted for calling a spade, and before God and the man. Good, Reverend Adakwa, or say yes, Daddy. Good. Nami here cow, some moment, nami opatafour nami here car. If you say, Satan na me beka kire say. Me here can wiase busa say come to Kumasi, go to Kumasi online and ask. And I say busa masofo nketu ana na di machi say sa time no na cast dodo say na me wo busa go and I may refer you to a lot of things so sa time me baba ka kire mo say me here can go back to Kumasi online and accept that moment na me cast accept. Na me wo cast do do say. Busa me cast me here ka me I don't lie. Busa say Satan na me cast yes say me na me cast yes say. Na cast do do say na nkrofo de ache me anego. me kyerɛ wade me obi a men kasa bebre but the entire me that can't say me here can say now I needed people I'll build an altar for them. The entire me that can't say na me here nkrofobia me build the altar at the amount I'm more power at the ananti wa brabo. Now ade a me ya say one more aboa me that time you know when me build the covenant for them majority you know almost saying why? Because they allow themselves to be deceived by these so-called people. I'm so me for. And Crawford Jemadoya that time me build a very good relationship. Me build a very good relationship with them. There will be brebe omu chemiska. Ebi chem $20,000. Me away. Me ma me baako. Eno abna. They can say America. I can't remember or chair that time or chair $20,000. Me real feed that. Na ebi kura ka or chair $20,000. Seven fan talker ni bi. I should not be here car, but now I wanted to build what you call relationship and give people power. Build an altar for them. Me Mary Magdalene Munina, they helped me. Mr. Entry Munina America. All of these people, a lot. I can't mean to me. Be brave. Me ame batine Munina, they helped me. They are aware. And so now yet car na me here because now I have a lot of cars. Now more cars be brave. What? Odi obuso obi oni mi obeka chero. Me fancy worldly materials. E yese oni pa wo ha obobra. E ye car tobi. Efie asibi. Nanso me mfa nneema nchekere me ho. Say me was this, me was that. There are things I don't tell you people. Enti me know bia me nenam ho just like that says sofu bia. E come dinu no ase wa hye da fa atare show. Me a very learned person. Masua ye ka obi a wasua de a. So we are aware. Me woni oma bebre but I don't tell people and I don't need to tell you to prove myself to you say me this and that. Enti me na matimi ato asori. Me to asori not because of I need money. And I say miss my sorry dan cancel. So asori ni siwo. Me dan cancel. But my shut the church down. I know a reason. Inti amedi ato asori. Now TNA. Eti looking at what I've told you no, me ma metena han kan kire say. Kokoya kwankyere say abramini mpefe se de me de ama wo. Edo be kobu nsam djum. Mumu bi wo hono mu a muni asofo ne nam. Abra na mu hia me sofo timi peke phone. No aka kire say send it. Bia 2,000 Ghana na me mfa nya kwankyere ma. Me pe obi a o se me ma fofo afra na ka kire say ma who say it was spiritually. Enti send me sika say na me mfa nye akwankyere ma. Me nya bi da ka urade kwa betua meka. Me nya bi da. Me de ne say me be kan sebo no. Me chirechire mu wi na makoda. Eyo nipa na na timi hu kasa let me go and me kwa you opatafour adoye. O de mamia, the only thing I met me I can say nyame shiro ameda wase. Then me pere me ho e mani pa kwankyere. Mo amunni mi no mo ya we. America for me, UK for Canada, Germany, more Ghana. Mumu bi bebre kura sisi a me ne mo kase mo wo me oil ekurukura mo amo pa kwankyera ma bo me high size mean feeble mo ya we you can attest to what I'm saying. Enti say utiri ye na me opatafour me ma kwankyera ya ma utiri mu nya fita na me nya de me ye ma bebre kura me oil womu ato oil last year. Me womu shed obi shed that chair me last year obi shed that chair $50,000. And so to date Mr. Charles me man akwankyere enra oseni message osi papa oba obeti ansem awu adentia osi papa oyi yi ne si hayi enso so menya akwankyere omu edi machi pa akwankyere they don't get it. And when people are fortunate enough, when you give them direction, now fe omu jina hono to say I say me kind there was a time be guy bi obeji oyi America na or see the spiritual father befie abesra no a pagya me oil no dey command the spiritual father they say we opatafour na de ma me na the spiritual father no hwe oyi ni din o say to train no opatafour de niam na ya abosomsem na abosomsem so a na spiritual father ni nipa no problem na okom no so a wo wantimi ansolve no watimi atena ho ahwa ma boy no ni nua ba awu ni nua ba enti no mbaji ade no wo wantimi amboa mimi ye different o me sofudie na me di no mimi di sofu ma ne ye do oh Ghana fo sofu no a o flash wo mo kro no ma fafo afre no me na me o frɛ me kro a me fa ye wo Ghana fo sofu a ebi tititi radio so ye wo Ghana sofu a ebi titi radio so a o flash na no ono afre o flash no ono obefre because bibi pa wonu man ko no on frɛ ko obefre me o frɛ me kro I don't pick it because me ye gold. Me a gold be as o brand san wenya. That is me. And to obi they do things just to provoke you and they don't know what they are doing. Sister, me wazan. Ena obi eni hono mu asase we so Ghana ha. Anase oso ofra brochire. Na me ko opatafour ho na me kura $200,000 £1 million bia na me kura be $100 billion and na makodi opatafour achi and na opatafour me di nati saa na mabo and na me sire dida ye wo mumu bia na mo kon sorry dada ansa na mo behu me ye wo mo edidi asofo achi omo edidi asofo achi eni nsori a asofo ne ye omo ho se onyankopon tumi ne kra omo enso so saa nkrofo no ekosa asofo ne na ase no omo wosika enso so ene omo nyina omo atofo me wo bebra they come to me they tell me but ehia me meboa wa na maboa me moa wa de me yonko sofo bi di aya o de enya masem obi eni ho me se obi wo Ghana ha ana obi wa broche no say me ko opatafour ho me no opatafour ananti 2 years ni 3 years ni 4 years ni 5 years ni 6 years ni na me wo me sika dada enso madina chi ya ma bofo mo antimi am protect me pick your phone na ye video na fabra out e bin si da opatafour me dodo na eba me ho na omo de eka papa makoji loan especially abrochirefo papa makoji loan papa me dan kraka papa me ntimi nsi papa ma ye business we nsu agu papa me pe bosia papa me pe contract me pe loan wa brochire na magesa amane ne de ato me ho so ye wo bi ho a oba wi ase kra no nkonso $200,000 mu da no obi nso $500,000 e bom cash da esu obi ho no a me oba me ansa na otimi aye ye wo mu a sebi ebi shipu nioma wakotena America, Canada, Germany, Italy, Spain, UK na wabre atiti ni mo remu ashipu nioma de ban na nioma na be yira oposo omo kwa asori o but omo ankrofo ntimi ka kire se masa udi abro be go to opatafour oba me mana kwankire na wahu ni nioma me wotumi a hira nipa me tumi me mfa mbo nipa asesa enti na me mfa osofo obi aho no me mfa nipa bibire bia ho asase we ho ade a me fa ho eye tumi na me ne nam no enti was steady me life wa me ni adamfo apart from Mr. Osei na me ne nam na sa me no obi da nam bi Nanso so me ne nam say enye madamfo. Me ne nam say a father and a son. I am a father to him. He is a son to me. And I'm proud to say that. And he is aware of it. And we have lived for almost 5-6 years. Right? And to me nyobia, you see me. I'm not that type. Me found me sanamity. Obie ni honu mo awo Ghana ha waso opatafour. Meton car. Meton enkonya. Meton edamu nioma. Ana meton bibi. Ana owo bibi a me opatafour. Mabe firi bi da. Ma sorry them bibi esi obi ano. I pay cash for it. Obie ni ho amafiri na ade da. Ya wa sofu a ombetena radio so. Ombetena TV so. No mo twantro de akere mu abrochirefo. Se wo ho kire. Now ya ade ne nkoyi a frɛ me. But ono ankasa ka na otim kura no wafiri. Ade nti na wo se obi mfiri na ade na wo ho sra ne ntimi mo. But me ade bia me wo biara. Ade bia ye closer to me biara me mfiri da. Ade nti I should tell you the kind of thing was I want me opatafour me so. Me free kada. Me free bibia da. Me na me sorry an opatabiri sika to me kam. Me tam sika e de to me kam no ma che dia manipa. Ade ntia. Me yi me ho adi nkyire nipa. Na nka boys na omo nam street a omo nsa attach $500,000 na omo ye dede no. Ka bi bebre be kwa koda. Enti mi onipa ebe me a me pai asundwie e na de manipa no so onnante mfanko. Na mo onipa ma no you have problems because of discipline. Enipa nye discipline to obi ben wo si e papa unyame som de edi adentia. Unka nkyere ne say onkodwabuo mu ana onkofa ebo nso a. But spiritual directions now the man ebi abeka kire nipa ne say okrada hwe ne wa no oba ankoda oni oba da wi adwar hohoro ho ana ye fasting ana say wo che obi ade a make sure so obebo mpai ana wo ye bibia consult to spiritual leader ansa na wakoye se na be ya se ya sumu fidi a ye nya sa enioma we ya na me de tetemu me nka bibia different da sa we no e de ma omo enti obi wo se unya me somo e de ask them. And to me, opatafour, no, most of you people, you don't really know me because I don't do show off. Me, I deal with businessmen. Sometimes I pretend to live this kind of a lifestyle, but most of you people, you don't even know me. Mumu ni me. Obiani wa obe me amema ne ho kire no. If you say ngosra na e wo me so no, enya ngosra ma nipa di hia. Ewon nwosra ema onipa nyankwa ho san ma ne dompe. Enti so obi be ka kire wo say me wo faase ne opatafour. Mi nua ne opatafour. Mi kunu nua bi ne opatafour. Mi mpena bi ne opatafour, mi kunu bi ne opatafour. Madamfo ne opatafour. Me dia be ne opatafour. Edi bi obekra bia. Nanso sa nipa ne ho kire ne pa abroso ne me na nam obemia. Masa catch and so opatafour say me musa say dia benti na wo ho kire. If we say opatafour aka ma ye nyina ate bo wiase say tumi ekura no emmo nipa sesa emma nipa di yi. Some of the people, when they got the opportunity to get closer to me, they came to disrespect me. They came to violate the rules of engagement. And to know what na man yemni na ho kire mu sabi obi ti kata obi ti oman obi ti chiri baby bebre enso so onyankopon na yeso a spoken word na attach to my life me bury as me mbo ni papa say wo mra me di fake testimony asofu eni nam radio so ni nam TV so on betena radio so no mama omo nkola ɛfrɛ wɔ radio hɔ ɛna awurade kasa kyerɛ ne sunsun wiase sese ɛnokorɛ mawura wo dɛm hɔ wo curtains yɛ black wo curtain saa nkwasi adom wɔ emimi ni bi mehyɛ nkɔm papa na mehyɛ curtain ho nkɔm a mede bɛyɛ deɛ ya enti me ma onipa akwankyerɛ. Most of you people, you don't know me. So fu bɛ na so obetimi ato asɔre me ma to asɔre me to ɛnɛ me no ka sɛ ada me na so sɛ me bi asɔre wo ba unya ba bi ntena me na me ka kyerɛ ada me ka sɛ me bi asɔre unya ba bi ntena nti mu a mo de mo ano ɛyɛ mo sɛ mo sabotage me no da bi mu bebre na mo adwene ya mo sɛ zenit asɔre na opatafoɔ yɛ ne jamre no na mani sika ɛno na me de atreko na wonya we. One day, I'll tell you something. And into yenye bibi mfan sabotage no. And into say, ni church members na nkwa sorry a. Ni offertory na ni collection esubete. Sister, brother, matu asole nim. Kakra no kura na mo say, mo de mo sabotage me na asole ne so nte. Na kituwa bi na mra no mo ma me collection. Me se matum omo nkofie. Enti me mpe offering matum kofie. Eno so je ne say. Enti ma obi nya say as a opatafour where this me follow paganism religion be any ho wa asase we so aminim die wom. I know what is in Freemason. I know what is in Freemason. Freemason die wo Freemason mu nyina bia ni wa aminim eya ye de mu dru level 3 near flying either some beko Scottish Rites, and I say United Grand Lodge, UK, and America, you can initiate you. Ukwajo or password, and Akwajo master scheme. I bet you more survival as a Freemason. Your master scheme, Obama, or testicles, and Obama, and Naomi key. Freemason, you be Palmer, want to deny. Modem Obama, or testicles. Excuse me for my language, say, Aqualabit, Ukraine, Casa, sell testicles, brofo. Aha, chi kasa modem obi hwɛ me wo de fa ne sa modem testicles ene obema na nkasa the whole sum of your can you people hear me? I think there has been an interruption in the network. If you can hear me, please drop a comment before I proceed on. I want people to get something today. Some time can drop a comment to us, your mommy now. Hello, if you can hear me, drop a comment. Tell me to proceed on, or let me cut it off. Oh, Motiminka, obi leave comment. Me patrona me answer na matwaso. Obi leave comment answer na matwaso. Men katino. Okay. Okay, somebody let me proceed. Me network na ha me wa ha. Me network na ha me. Okay. So, this is it. And when you go to Freemason, there's nothing being practiced in Freemason that I don't know. So we catch it and say, and there is nothing being practiced in Freemason that I don't know. All the ranks that you go through to become a grandmaster, the initiations you go through, me aware. Opatafour, I am aware of it. I hear from secret society, Buddhism, Hinduism, Zoroastrianism, ana obi si wo join anchor emo obi ndada na me there's nothing in enkanka a menim me enkanka me enkanka mpanyimfo anampan uko my first 3 years you become what we call shilla. Uko enkanka mu your first 3 years you become a shilla. I'm aware of it. I'm aware of whatever that goes on in enkanka. Enkanka for Bible. The Sharia Kisugmat. Sharia Kisugmat 1, Sugmat 2. Me aware. You read the Tiger's Fin. Everything. More grandmasters. And I say, in occultic world, you make us a grandmasters. But when you go to Enkanka, they say masters. And I say ek masters. Minimum mokitadaki, fubiquans, lighty, gopadas. There is nobody there. There's nothing. When you traverse beyond the firmament, the zenith of heavens, when the gate opens, it becomes Sahasrara Kanwa. When it closes, it becomes Sahasrara Kanwa. There's nothing there meaning. And this will be the catcher say, me no opatafour and now, and he says, hey, won't be come church member biada. Won't be come church member biada. I just a church member no ya so den na me spitting it out. And say when you know. And it is a me be na me ma direction. And me yet to say, I say, opatafour is satanic or occultic. Na mumu nyoma bi wo ha amunnim. Get that. Na 2 minute kura me ye de boa nipa. Why na she onyankopon anya ne de? Majority of you people, you didn't treat me well when you had opportunity to get closer to me. I don't think I'm bebre mo breno. Majority of you people, you never treated me well. Adie bie no obi si wo ya me nim. Konfo be ya bosom be. Wa konsu ase aba. Ya uduru ya busa ma mo ata. Me ya aware of everything, but me hear me. Obia ni nyame nanam. Obia ni nyame nanam. And I always tell people that you can choose to follow me, you can choose not to follow me. Me pedom. Say me pedomo. Say then ya unya doma na benyeska. But I'm telling you, say, me wadi me ya. E di sika bre me secretly. Me opatafour me wadi me ya. E di sika bre me secretly ya. Enye part of ministry. But me nkama asem bebre no nyam asem. Eno ye me ankasa. To obi si wo be me na ho kire na. Ya na ye me ya na me sere. Because me nkura to me bone a e mani pa bo asesa. Di fa she otirim sa. Now, mami chira wade bi. Enso. Eye nioma bebre. Di enti ameka sa nipa no mfa enso emra. Sofo ne say makoka se wonfa enwura kokko na emra ntino woye. Me bonsam me nye papa no mami chira wade. Ade na ye frɛ no enso no wuhu no. Enso tie nie enso. Tumi bia owa asase su ha bia onfiri Jacob tumpifuo bia no nachi ade enso. Ene na make secret bia kyerɛw. Tumi bia owa asase su ha bia enfiri Jacob tumfuo nachi oso wa ye bosom bɛn me kyerɛw de ode enso bɛ ya obɛsɛ no wo ye konfo me kyerɛw de ode enso bɛ ya obɛkuna twere. Why bayfo no wofie me kyerɛw de ode enso bɛ ya obɛkuna to atwere. Onipa bi a wadi bɔne obi wo ha wadi bɔne bi a wakum nipa ɛno nkyɛ sɛ koku nipa bi a wakum nipa tie ne ye me kyerɛw ade bi a wakum nipa anase why abortion atogu bi a why abortion bebribi Se nyame Yankopɔn rejecteo ne nyame se onfa wo nye ne ho adie bie mu a. Me kyerɛ wade a wo de enso be ya onyame po ompo also osa receive you back. Enso ye ade a play central role e wo nyame ahini mu but me nka nkyerɛ. Enye obi na provoke me a na me ka we aka me nka nkyerɛ. So obi ho kyere ne pa obi like obi ho kyere no osredi na ne ho kyere ne pa wa abrabom. So obi abɔ bra na nsi ne ye yese abusua we de omu fie pa sika ni ho. Abusua we de omu fie asa yale boni bi wo ho. Asa we mu no omu fie no oma wo bebrebe wo bekɔ ne no asumasi wa wo be 5 6 anso omu ni kapre. Me kyerɛ wo de wo de enso be ya wo fie wo benya sika. Obi antimi no nya peda. Bi ho a wo ye osofo. Sofo ban na wo ye no wankasa wo ba wiase wo ni ededa. O mama light out. O mama light out. Maybe excuse me why mama so light na say o modum light no be ndɛ normal. Yadum light into money how normal. Ghana we dey Ghana. Tienye bio ha o ye soft like asori no wate but nipa ma ho. I say ye was soft bio ha wankasa won sori ma na o mte wo na ase no. Entimi nsi wo mu yie na nkampo apese ensori ba no o matimi anya bi di abre o say papa sofo oje na sofo ato bibi ensori ni bebre mo nsori ma o ntimi prosper. Me kyerɛ wade a wo be sori awia 3 na wo de enso akoye e wo asori fie wa enipa be pu abasa na obi obeba ho so obeye bibi bia in fact ebeye yi enti enso ya ade a in the kingdom of God no a plays significant role. Enso ya ade a in the kingdom of God no a plays significant role e wo abrabom but nipa bebre nya we say obi ye barren bi wo ha na wo ye very bad girl who see so no bi a wo ye bad girl obi wo ha who see so no ye bad girl because a bad girl assault yas bi a oni member bebre have affairs one post no two one Lydia ama wa wo de no emu asi say bi a wakonya aware but untimi nwo bi wo no ma fibroid ayo obi wo ha wanyini wa clock be 45 50 years but opeba but eba no edin untimi nwo a me kire wade ye wade de enson eye ma na enye nko ana wanum post no two anase Lydia ana nye nko ana waye abortion e wo wiase you are not the first person. Ye wo mu di nkan ye abortion e wo Bible mu a ebinum e affect wo ma wo de nenso wo de enso e ya akwankyere e ma wo ma wo de no onyankopon biye okenkan the book of Joshua okenkan the book of Joshua chapter 2 verse 19 to 25 okenkan the book of Joshua chapter 2 verse 19 to 25 yes to 25 the book of Joshua say na ababa wa bi wo ho a na ye frɛ Sheila me ye frɛ Chila but eno na abrofo no frɛ Sheila no na Sheila ye obi a no ye bad woman enti abra osi so no na onum nuro titititi no adam mo peso Intinya post no 2 enya wo pen so na post no 2 eba wo. Post no 2 na ho da Lydia na ho da. Enti omo list ewo Joshua no mu enua ene haban a wonom a woni be ma da onyem. Enu nti Sheila okonum bi Sheila ehwase sore. Okenka the book of Joshua. Bible say na Sheila onya 14 years and o sha say so of enuru. Onumunduro sa ne mema did die sa ekonya eye 90 years. Enti 90 years no na obi be ware no. Unze nwanwa. Ne kwan a obi be ware no kura enwanwa. Onyankopon epo Sheila eka kire ne say o ma ne ba. Ena Sheila de ahometie efa enson e de ye akwankyere. Saa musuo na ebeto ne so automatically onyankopon jam e de che no. Enu nti ye wonioma enson ye. It's just that unim ho akwankyera. Then you stand somewhere and begin to criticize it and speak ill about it. Knowing fully well say unim say adie we minim ho hwe nanso so wo ka bi. Obi ono oba wiase bi ha mabusuan oh enti mumu bi. Ebi aba me nche ama mama mamo akonu aduane edi ama makase sa enso ne fabre. Ebi wo ha ne eyefi ne wo. Ebi wo ho no so a eno be na eda wo so. Enye enkonua bia na empaibo betimi a break you. It is good for you to pray always. But you see, prayer has a limit. The rate and the level at which directions can go, and the angle to which direction can penetrate. Me pacho, wo onipa empaibo entimi penetrate. And in yoma bi oha, oni hu nim dia. Don't talk too much. And kujina baby na nyese, we or ye this, we or ye that, we or ye this. Enti enso se wanu aduane wo koport so na enso no ade ache so no ana ahina aka no sister eye nioma bebre but wo nya we metimi ama quotation kwa 140 ewo bible mu a ye de enso ye ho akwankyere. Enti enso de eye nioma bebre enso se bosum bi pewaku se obi abodua ana obi aka kire se odu bekọ aduro so me kire wade a wode enson be ya nipa no automatically ebe kuna to atwene wiase ye nyina ye nya pew maka kire se minim form minim de meye but obi oho a onimu o kasa no oye no say onimu but you don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me. Ya oni ma bebre ma me kire wade. Na me kire wade. O ma sa so light. 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 Monka fra ye to aso. Tie ni Joel chapter 1. Joel chapter 1. Verse number 13. Me pa jo. Joel chapter 1 verse number 13. So o hwɛ me a. O hwɛ me a. Omudum light nti afi na me butu me sister minute ne me service no. Joel chapter 1 verse number 13. Ti asɛm a odifuo no ɛkan. Me kan twi no. O say asɔfo mumfra ayintuma na mommɔbena. Afɔrebuchi aso asomfo. Yɛkasa afɔrebuchi aso asomfo a any elders muncharge me nyankopon asomfo any deacons ne deaconess momra meda ayituma mu anadwuni nyina na aduane ayeye de ne ahwiesa agyae mo nyankopon fie ba edidi entia me ka kire ne say onkope polyester onkope polyester black polyester red polyester white polyester green enye bibia o onipa bia wa asase wesu bia no ade baako se obi ye baifuo obi ye baifuo ana wo ye boso na oye stubborn na uye bibia enkana me ma woto saa de ne ba obia okala na atu mu no e wokala epe enti me ma woto de pa me wade a me ye de befra enso woye hwan me kase me ku atwe upa ko di aduro se de me de kan wa me ku ato atwe enu nti niam a ye nimu no nti no enu nti na me ndi bone no obi timi ha me pa me kasa saa mat me kofi a me bukotodwa me ntimi nye nipa ne bone because of say said ye onyame tumi ekura me tinti ya na me assume say nipa no onim de oye but say koba say yemfa de ekura ye nya bibi dia bra enka ukomfo na wakọ ho na ana court na wo join na ye say wo bibi no enka wo behun say uni hwi kura wo mu because de ye nim no yenka. So the issue here is, let me go back to the this thing. Okay, I believe you are enjoying the show. Monkafra, right? Monkafra. Now, okay, now back to what I was saying. Enunti obi wo ha onim de oka. Now, have you gone there to check on the book of Joshua, the quotation that I gave you? And to be I know now we are first person. Okay. Yewura tinedu tienie. Yewura tinedu. Or online so mo am read the comment no. Muntie de okan. O say papa, use my current testimony as a test case. Tienie o. Yewura tinedu papa ya online yisu. Oni akoa bi na wa adwuma mu aye no se wa ben ofura nwona man. Waye no se wa ben. And wa ha ne saa so many years. E wa adwuma mu ho. Na oni de na adwene woni tirim nyina se or working against papa we na kia yi na di no ono nkotena fie na no aduane emo no. Na sometimes no onyankopon owo mre ne na edima obi a se onipa ne besesa. Na we na wa ha yewura ti na du saa. Na we no ogiga na nsense dabi mene opatafoɔ na nampa de a mentwe ema onipa ntwe mfa me so no original na namo so ana o hyase se o paya prana no for some days afi o paya prana no for some days no e wo mu a afi de e ko be 6 days 5 days akwa na no so wa be one day o ya igweni nto woni tumi e wo awote America no afi 6 days wontimi ma adwuma when omu abrofo na wa adwuma mu honim se oye Ghana ni de ne nua no na omu busan se oh na onua we yes say o se oh mi hu no when omu trezi ya se 6 days so omu ma oma adwuma de omu nko ni fie na omu nko hu enko hwese de enti na oma adwuma afi omu ko ni fie a ya bopunu mu a obi anye so omu pem epono na akwa no ena wakọ toilet won ho saa 6 days ena wakọ toilet egu no ho tenda na ate no tenda na apana na ate no ama wakọ toilet egu no ho asa adwo so ena wodam saa 6 days nti 6 days ni nyina toilet wakọ nyina egu no ho no wodam ono a waye mum ontimi nkasa omukofa emergency ambulance be fa no ko hospital eja wada hospital o saa wakoko ma wantimi anyane wawu enu na ye kan enu na okan enu na yewura tinedu Mr. Tinedu kan wa say use my case. It happened just I think say 1 week ago, say 2 weeks ago. I believe say or line so o gina mu say opatafour say ye use apra na na ma me so me mpa nsi so kram ate no ninro na wo si wadi na ate ayira Sani ama we nyina kura enti ya kase be di bone a obi antini stop ye but nyankopon tumi yemfa di bone uti asɛm na meka na ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛwura ti ne du ana papa yi wɔ yɛwudi ni nemo wahana several years ana ɔsɔre sɛ mentena hɔ mama nim nwu ase enti sɛ wo ka biribi fa enso ho a na obi adwene yɛ ne sɛ ai wo kura wo yɛ bonsam wo mfiri nyame ana wo yɛ this wonim nneɔma a enso timi yɛ enso wonim adeɛ dɛ ma yɛnkɔ bible mu na mema quotations different a yɛde enso yɛ akwankyerɛ ne tie bi wɔ waso. Now let's see something. Daniel chapter 9. Write the quotation down so that you will also read it out. Daniel chapter 9. If you people are online, read it out. Let's see something. Daniel chapter 9 verse 3. Daniel chapter 9 verse 3. Now, I set my face unto the Lord to seek by prayer and supplications with fasting and sackcloth and ashes. Mbacho enso bro for ye there. Enso ne bro for ye there, nye ashes. And tumatuntum as yet say enye sackcloth. Enso and tumatuntum nye sackcloth. E ye ntuma nye sackcloth. Read it. Daniel chapter 9 verse 3. Ose na me di mani to awurade nyankopon so. Sa me di muada ayituma enso ene nkotosere. Bebo empire. Oh, ordinary etu nyankopon so obedi muada according to the prophet Daniel. Things were very tough for Daniel. Things were not going well for Daniel. So he decided to go into prayers. But the directions or the spiritual direction that accomplishes the fasting and prayer was he was supposed to clothe himself with a sackcloth, that is black nylon or black polyester. Secondly, and to sleep on an ashes. Onyankopɔn to me entidia na mede ma wa enfiri nyame. Yenhwe another one. Jonah chapter 3, the book of Jonah. Jonah chapter 3 verse 6. Jonah chapter 3 verse 6. Let me read it out. It says, for word came unto the king of Nineveh, and he arose from his throne, and he laid his robe from him, and covered him with sackcloth, and sat in ashes. Abra onyankopon suma say, odifuo Jonah enko kankyere Nineveh fo hene say, abusudie ne nsam hunu no mudi na asase so, enti ono awurade obeku wo mo no. Eho ena odifuo Jonah eti secret ne de kire ohene ne say, se mo mpese awurade bekum dia ene e wuro ho ntoma ne opatia ne o kente na efira wo no wuro tubu na kofa polyester ana say enwura kokko ekekere ho na wuwia kofa enso ne fa wo na tietiem na bra awurade ani bebo enso ne so no ontimi nkunta. And he did that. Go and read the Bible. Enti akwankyere na mede ma no de ma eye satanica sofo ne kasa bebrebe errant no ene de ya. Okay, you rati ne do say Sunday ya na akwa no oku na to atwene. Sunday was it just happened last Sunday. The Sunday ya na oku no to twene sharp say ya sharp ni oku ato atwene eboa. Sisi adom yo muku omo me na mama mo kwan. Wa obi odi wachi bia wo de o hawa nipa wa odi machi obi hawa sisi mabiem say wo pesa wo connect to me ma plan na ya ye wonsase ye wonsase fa benkum no to ho sei ne mo a na fa nifa no to sei say wo pa ya plan na wo de ye wonsase automatically on be hu say ye me de na ofre right. Tienie asɛm a Yesu kan. Ti asɛm a Yesu kan. Yesu kan asɛm ma ɛyɛ me fekeke. Ɔno Yesu mpo no, ɔno Yesu mpo na asɛm ɔkan fekeke. Yesu asɛm ɔkan fekeke. Muntie, sɛ Yesu ma akwankyere we bi na me evil a ɛsɛm wala. Matthew chapter 11 verse 21. Matthew 11 verse 21. Or say, woe unto thee, Chorazin, woe unto thee, Bethsaida, for if the mighty works which were done in you had been done in Tyre and Sidon, they would have repented long ago in sackcloth and ashes. Yanshay, Matthew 11 21. Or says, or see Chorazin die, Bethsaida die, if we say, ahoɔden nie a wayɛ no mumu yi sɛ wɔyɛ no Tiro ne Sidon a anka wasakyerɛ wɔn adwene ayituma ne nsu mu dada wonim de ntia Chorazin kura a na ɔmo yɛ abɔnefoɔ Yesu akasa saa ɔmo ntie ɛne wɔ se nsɛnkyerɛnne ne preaching ɔno Yesu wayɛ no sɛ nka wɔyɛ ne Tyre ne Sidon a anka saa mmerɛ yi anka ɔmo akɔfra enyuna kɔkɔɔ ɛne ayituma ɛde enso agu hɔ adam asu abɔmpae because ukɔsrɛ Awurade a sɛ wo de enso ka ho a onyame pro ɔmpro obetie mpaebɔ no. Now let's see something. Let's see something. Esther chapter 4 verse 1. Esther chapter 4. When Abra almost sorry to Haman, sorry to Mordecai, TNE. Abra Haman, sorry to Mordecai, say young Kuno, Tiason ye. Anna opese name pie bonnie fast. Na etimi dru nyame anim na ye tani owuo ni ntemnti. De wo ye ni. Esther chapter 4 verse 1. No jump verse 3. I am reading verse 1. Was when Mordecai perceived all that was done, Mordecai rent his clothes and put on sackcloth with ashes and went out into the midst of the city and cried with a loud and bitter cry. Verse 3. Or say, and every province, whatsoever the king's commandment and his decree came, there was a great mourning among the Jews, and fasting and weeping and wailing, and many laid in sackcloth and in ashes. Now, bro, them no more bomb after the prayers, 3 days pepe, and that the verdict was changed, and to be a court. Now you boot yaw, you don't court ni you boo asem tiam, and I say obi a deep bonny be, but yentimin can asem. Obi shesumasi a deep bonny by yentimin can asem one. So are your baby na sisiu ajiwa japade or baby na say or do beko radio so or baby na say or do beko TV so or baby na bema bi na say or be hawo or ba or like bema bi so or be hawo or ba besia or be gu enu ase or be kum or be bu kwasea e wa abrabo mu a me wa dia mema o de enso aye 72 hours e pa ho asere me ebi na Esther ye no Ebina Esther ye Eddie change and turn down the verdict. It was Esther who did it. Esther did this direction and changed the verdict. Change the verdict. Read Esther chapter 4 verse 1 and then you jump to verse 3. Go and read it out. And what makes what I told her these two people, these two couples, what makes what I told them evil? Esther chapter 4 verse 1. Me kan twi no say na Mordecai hunu de aba say na Mordecai hunu de aba no nyina no Mordecai sunsuan ntade mu na wode ayituma ne enso kata ne ho enso. You know very well that there was a decree, a pronouncement, and a judgment against Mordecai when Haman withstood against him. Adie beti abeyakoku eye Mordecai no. No, 3 days ebeka nansa ameyakoku Mordecai no. E na Esther original wo eye krom ho se munyina obi ankoda ayintuma mu no na ensum. Na saa kwankyere yi ayeyi omu mpeo ebetani ampa omu koda ensum mu ya kwankyere ɛbɔ mpaeɛ ma adeɛ kyee a na ɔhene ne da hɔ anadwo a na wasesa n'adwene na wɔse deɛ ayɛ ne deɛ wɔanya nku ɛyɛ Mordecai biem na ɔma tɛ ne asɛm no de agu Haman so ne yɛakɔku Haman agya Mordecai a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛku no wɔ hɔ enti yɛwɔ adeɛ a yɛde ɛnso yɛ ɛyɛ fast connection sɛdeɛ wopɛ aduane adi a fast wode si gya so na aben no saa na ne nso no yɛde yɛ obi haw na pɛ sɛ wotea no de yaleɛ tea no ma ne ka dɛm obi haw wopɛ sɛ wotea no ma no hu sɛ wosum Jacob tumfoɔ a yɛwɔ adeɛ yɛde ɛnso yɛ enti woba me nkyɛn na meka kyerɛ wo sɛ kɔfa nso bra na memfa nyɛ biribi a you don't go and sit there and describe me as if say me evil. What do you know? Huh? What do you know about the kingdom of God? What do you people know? You don't even know anything. You think we are doing Holy Ghost thing here? Huh? You people think we are doing Holy Ghost thing here? Huh? Listen to me. There were some people who were unclean. And no one yet clean. Now they went to Moses. Open Exodus chapter 9. Let me show you something. In the book of Exodus chapter 9. Exodus chapter 9. There are some people who were unclean. Let me show you something in the book of Exodus. Exodus chapter 9 verse 8. Then you jump to verse 10. Let me read the English version. It says, "And the Lord said unto Moses and unto Aaron, Take to your handful of ashes of the feathers, and let Moses sprinkle it toward the heaven in the sight of Pharaoh. And they took the ashes of the feathers and stood before Pharaoh, and Moses sprinkled it up towards heaven, and it became bowl breaking forth, and blains upon man and upon beast." Mamin kind tree. Verse 8. Netie. So obi di ubone. Obi so we di aduro wo boso. Na pese wo de enso esey wo ne nasefo. Mu ohunu nyansa. Ebi ni mechiro. Exodus chapter 9 verse number 8. Or say, "Ena Awurade ka kire Mose ni Aaron say, momfa funu no mu enso ensama na Mose intompete ahunum wo Pharaoh anim." Now verse 10. Or say, "Na wasafunu no mu enso na wogina Pharaoh anim na Mose pete ahum no na edane nipa ne emmoa ho empompo a epaipai tutu akuro." Abra Pharaoh ye no ho sa ode no onyankopon de enso na say Pharaoh. Enti wo yesa wo ode bibibi I'll challenge opatafour metimi de enso aku ato atwe metimi de enso asel metimi aba enso wo betwa akwam na ka bo akunkram no ano no die minimu no memfa di bone fa hye utirimu saa. Die minimu no memfa di bone. Enti wo kwa no obi kasa emeye no wote say as wanya small boy bi afraid no we SS bi why the first degree bi na obey me rough. Don't come and misbehave. When you meet those first degree holders, you go and misbehave towards them, not me. I'm a senior prophet. Enti anya say ade a me de kire ne ye evil. Me ma wade ye evil. Be Jeremiah chapter 13. I'm sure. Jeremiah 30. Jeremiah 13. Let's see something in the book of Jeremiah, chapter 13. Where is Jeremiah? Chapter 30. Let me read the tree version for you to know, for you to understand it. I believe most of you who are watching me can understand the language tree. Now, Jeremiah chapter 13, verse 1. Ose se Awurade ka kire mi nie. Kona koto enwura aboso na fa bo wasene. Na emfa mo insuo mu. Enti ye wo enwura kokko, enwura tuntum, enwura fitaa. Enwura etese haban mo, that is green color. Na enwura no de tie ne se onipa bi a wo asase wesu bi a wo color eben wo kra. Enti obi wo ha we stubborn, wa being too much. We na oman Israel na akomfo agikuro na fa a omo say Israelfo ena Awurade ma eye odifo eye Jeremiah say onkoto enwura boso, that is white lining, or say that says unto me, go and get thee a lining girdle and put it upon thy loins, right? Enti o mane ko penwura and what the born aslimu so on fanda the entire yana metimi ma mo de handkerchief e bom pa ye se fashion usum ni ase na fada no on say handkerchief no eye ade white enti ate say enwura white na uhia yinwura no na fa kogu kuro na tifi okwa fashion ebo ase o de share ebo ase no wanka say 6 months later na Awurade ka tire Jeremiah say ko yi sa enwura na me ma de ko share ebo ase oba na ase ya yetete o se sa na me Israel for okunkum wo mo say wo. And the one I tell you, say, sister, kofa enso, kofa enrabra. Don't come and do as if say you know something. Binamo, maso dana mo titi wono. Ye nchira mu bibia. And can you say na bla bone be? Get that. Get that. Ye de enso ya kwankyere. Emma esini peyi. Ye de enso eya kwankyere. Emma ni sini peyi. Obi hawa ye won ade a obetimi de enso aye. Obi ni wo prepositioner. Ye wa ade a ode enso beye. Ubie shop na enkoso a ye wa ade a ode enso beye. We nyina. I was saying ka me kyerɛ na me kase. So obi gigi wa fanso ye sei. Upe kudu a fanso ye sei. Ma me kyerɛ wa de. Let me show you something. Let me show you something in the Bible. Let me show you something in the Bible. I want to show you something. Abra David. Abra, when David had sexual intercourse with Uriah's wife. Abra David. Eddie Uriah yere kodayen. Onyankopon rejected David. Ano catch David si obekunu. Enti ebeka 3 days. Ama onyankopon abeku David no. Ana na odifuo bi wo ehonum ne friend Zadok. Na Zadok no Bible mu uyi Yesu firi ho. Na uyi Melchizedek firi ho a. Odifuo ane wa bi wo Bible no mu pa ba akono ye friend Zadok. Na no ye sofu panyini pa onye sofu ketwa. Ena ofre David say o se Awurade pese okunu. Ena Zadok say ono kura wahu. Awurade abeka kire ne say onsiesie wo hene foforo na onfa ninsi o man Israel so if say David de wa ye bone pa nti obekunu. Ehon na Zadok ka kire David say ensuro mekire wade a obeye onyankopon ontimi nkum da. Na David feel say e agoro na Zadok oye e kadie. Ehon na Zadok wura ade o man atale tuntum ena o sa enson man se ko da enson nim ne ko efche atale tuntum no ne ko da ho 3 days ma enson ne wo da mu 3 days de bia usori na pass ma obeka ne say urade kaya pama me no wo ne kai de wo ka kire me no me dwumadi a me di no asase we su enson nti ukumi a enye yie me tani wo wo firi me so. Oh yes, I didn't say 3 days. I wanna abia chen ahomache 3 days na ahomache 3. Or honum sa na nyankopon asane kram. Jacob tumfo sane was David. Won sama o kanyina mate but o de owuo no mayi e de akoto wo baso. enti uba ne bi wo de ewu mu da enti se obi di boni pa obi ye bibi ehu anyame beku no wo hwa saa de no ebe ha no ana obi bo obi dua na ofi se ade no di fo a eno an se ye kire wade a wo de enson be ya obi no obetimi akumta mimi tuwe mi mfa sofo bia mimi ni so asofo ame no man nante apart from say misa asori anameko minim say makachirem dada me ye wo mi to SDA Ashtown SDA makobia yo meka de bia wiamoase SDA makobia akontomra SDA makobia but abra ni nyini no minya adoma chede ni we no ana magya SDA because untimi operate prophetically na mi jai SDA no so mako house of faith da ba me jai right madi asofo mienu me ba kuma se am asofo mienu ba ko ma pontina ba ko abu akwakwa so me ni obi ananti da and the sofo mi be jira no odwa nanim se onim opatafour na opatafour masa you don't know me from anywhere asofo am no ma nanti etu pe e okuma se a like ma call mo nchen me ko obi a ho se me ko pe bibi mimi de na wa mbepe wo tumi ni bi scanner wa na say ntimi ntimi mo mpa manya me onhira ntimi me ko obi fie me ko obi hoda bia na obi na be invite me program by program no kwa me bomba ye me hwe na onsem bi no nioma bi nye papa me ma o sana me pese me chiro ntimi me lifestyle no I don't care about whoever you are, whatever you think you are, whatever you think you have. Mona mo pray japade pray cars. Me mpiribi. Car cry, I know how to start car engine. I don't even know how to start car engine. And I'm not bothered to learn how to start car engine. I'm all right and I'm content with whatever that I have. Huh? I'm content with whatever that I have. So don't come and behave as if say, opatafour or you this or you that. No. Enti enso ye de nyama bebre. I can choose to use the ashes to harm you, or I can choose it to do you good with it, and that is all. Enti mami ko ka kire sofo ne say onimu a onko fom ne enkyere no. Na ye mu bi yenim de yenim. Obi wo kra wo church members kra untimi nya 300 members da. Obi wo ha untimi enya 300 members da. Manfo ko Beni ko India tu kwan ko pe enkabre chetie ne nkabre ni wiedie omo ba ne akere mo de omo na ebi ni abodamfo da ebi didi wo bola so anadwo edu anadwo aye akokọ ba bia bola obo sa abodamfo ne na mo ka so ma boda omo moda mo eye ritual so omo ye de pe omo sika me nya obi da me nko obi da me nko obi ahoda me ko pede minim form minim de awrade aka kere me ti me mfa me tumi hanipa me di tumi ni buwa nipa masade no to obi ko gina ba bi no se ni hu nipa ne opatafour so obra ka kire nipa ne se so de nsase na fa ne bra manim se opatafour wo fa asidi unua ba mani unua ba ni o yiri ni o girlfriend ni o baba ni o maami bi ni o maami dua bi ni o se onimo ade nti na o bre na ho kire ade nti na o yare na untimi nsane yare because edifo bebre omo say omo ye edifo bebre bi papa yare ebi maame yare ebi num bebre omo ntimi nka bebre ma yarefo ba omo ntimi nka mini sustain ni bi eni fi ni bi wo me wo edu koto so obi ti ba bi no o say obe me na obra so ne nsasa ne bra me kra de ne ba kra mesa cheuska what did the ba me mesa ya de amon. Hey Gaba, was say your wife? Na mini. I say your wife. Now hey Ga, who say Asante Amamre wo fire cry o yere. Hey Ga. Asante Amamre wo fire o yere. Uni abema yere o yere. Me woni abema o. Ana woni say mo woni abema o. Hey Ga. Mo woni abema o anyini che me o. Ana woni. Hey, enti so ko baby na obi to no okasa. Enti na me fashion hu. What's the opatafour? I live a comfortable life. I'm always in my own lane. I do what is right and what actually pleases the spirit that I serve. Me nyo obi ade. Me mo Holy Ghost ni me nka because ene unyani Jeremiah, unyani Moses. Now beside say who is Holy Ghost? Because we have never heard of. We only came to the world and work with Ruach HaKodesh or Holy Spirit, but not anything like Holy Ghost or whatever. And to me, the fact that me nu bi ni nkyerɛ sɛ me yɛ bonsam da bi me kyerɛ mu nyina nwumre nyame nka mo nyame nka mo she say from last 2 to 3 weeks I have taught you people a lot. From last 3 weeks, I've taught you people a lot. And I'm supposed to give you directions. And now no dear ya me ye. Say obani like Bema or Babuninsa. When a woman is in a menstrual period. Nessa or Berma when a have sex. If you not account, unma dia de be. E yedin soon e. Yedin soon e. And so mintimi can't chiremo because I'm afraid when I give you the direction, maybe you go and demonize it. When a woman is in her menses and you mistakenly have sexual intercourse with her, it is not good. But if you have done some, the only thing, sometimes you have the perception that Jesus has crucified himself on the cross, and probably because of that, he has paid the price for all, and so. And so you believe in those rubbish. Even Jesus himself, when Jesus was alive, he had no option than to use ashes for spiritual directions. Abra Yesu nankasa te ase no mpo no. Ono amu no ono ate wo no mpo wo de enso ya akwankyere. Enkoko ka kire Korasin fo se monko na monko da enso ni ayi ntuma mu. Ade to nankasa maba ne de Korasin boni bi amaye bia munyai na mewu a boni ni be yi afiri mu so. Enso wo se mon sakira madwene na afiri ni mfiri mu nti monko da ayi ntuma na enso so. Enti nye bibia na Yesu ba ye obeyeye. Yesu na edi na chi no. Ye woni oma bi oba ye obeyeye. Nye bibia na Yesu beyeye. Ye woni oma bi wa agisi obi chiro. Don't debate on issues. Catch me live on Hey TV. What do you call it? On Thursdays, exactly 8 o'clock. I'll spend about 40 minutes on Hey TV. Let me talk to you. Come there. I want to talk to you. How do you brofo? You catch you or how do you tree? Bye bye. Oh, be catch rail say kofa and so bra. I'll say where you born some. Hey, obi how here cash. Here cash. Obi wo no ma. Mama buy. Ebeshia o Jerusalem.